Hello friend, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Digital Study. And today, as you know, I have come again with the kind base of 23rd May. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe my channel and allow all notifications to get notification of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, to protect our Mother Earth, please stay home and help our heroes to fight against coronavirus. So friend, let's start. The first question of today: recently which company reported a massive cyber attack? So recently Air India has reported a massive cyber attack. By this cyber attack, it leaked 10 years customer data including credit card, phone number, passport details and 45 customers. So very important question. The chairman and MD of Air India is Sri Rajiv Bansal, and it is founded by GRD Tata as Tata Airlines in 1932, and its headquarters is in New Delhi. So friend, we will go to the second question of the day. What is India's rank in EY Renewable Energy Index? So India ranked third in EY Renewable Energy Index. This rank is published by EY Global. EY Global is an organization which publishes this data. USA came first in this rank and China came second in this rank, and our country India came third in this rank. Third question of today: recently UNESCO added how many sites in World Heritage List from India? Do you know the right answer of this question? Recently UNESCO added 6 Indian sites as the heritage site list. The 6 sites are Ganga Ghat in Uttar Pradesh, Hirbanakal in Karnataka, Satpura Tiger Reserve in Maharashtra, Kanchipuram Temple in Tamil Nadu, Maratha Military Architecture in Maharashtra, and Vedaghat and Lamaghat in Madhya Pradesh. So very important question. Fourth question: recently which state government has approved the proposal for Legislative Council? So recently West Bengal has approved the proposal of Legislative Council. So the Legislative Council of West Bengal was ended in 1969. Very important. And there are 6 states in India in which there has Legislative Council. They are Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Very important. So we will go to 5th question of today. National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed every year in which date? So National Anti-Terrorism Day is observed every year on 21st May. Very important question. So this day was made by the National Anti-Terrorism Day after the assassination of 7th Prime Minister of India, that is Rajiv Gandhi, on May 21, 1991. So this day is observed in the memory of Rajiv Gandhi, who was killed in May 21, 1991 by a terrorist group in Tamil Nadu. The name of the group is LTTE. So we will go to the 6th question of today. Which Indian choreographer has won World Choreography Award 2020? This is also a very important question. So the right answer of this question is Suresh Mukund. This is very important question because Suresh Mukund is the first Indian who is awarded as a World Choreography Award 2020. So Suresh Mukut has become the first Indian to get this award, and this award is known as Oscar of Dance. So seventh question of today, which country has hosted seventh meeting of BRICS Astronomy Working Group? The right answer of this question is India. So recently India hosted the seventh meeting of BRICS Astronomy Working Group. The Inter-University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics IUCCA, which is situated in Pune, and Department of Science and Technology DST jointly coordinate this meeting. The present member of BRICS countries are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The 12th BRICS Summit was hosted by Russia in 2020, and the 13th BRICS Summit will be hosted by India in 2021. Very, very important question. So, we will go to the 8th and last question of today. Recently, which state or union territory has launched Medicine from Sky project? So, recently, Telangana government has launched Medicine from Sky project. So some information about this project. This project is launched to supply medicine and other essential health instrument by drone. The CM of Telangana is K. Chandrasekhar Rao and the governor of Telangana is Tamilisai Sundarajan. Very, very important. So friend, we will go to those questions which I provided you yesterday. The first question, India's first agriculture export agency center is opened in which city? So the right answer of this question is Pune. Second question, who has recently elected as the president of Central Tibetan Administration? The right answer of this question is Pempa Zaring. And third question, who has won 10th Italian Open? The right answer of this question is Rafael Nadal. So 3 questions of the day which you will answer through comment. Let's see who came first. Recently, Center releases how many crore rupees for Jal Jeevan Mission? And the second question, Mukhtar Wen is the PM of which country? And the third question, which state has topped in Center Smart City Ranking 2021? Friend, that's all for today. Please like this video and share this video and subscribe this channel. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, good morning and goodbye. Thank you.